Welcome to Daddy Bits, your trade idea show hosted by yours truly, the Trading Daddies. I am your host, the Master Crayon Eater, and as always, my amazing co-host.
Ooh, what a bloody day. Teflon John here.
What a bloody day. We kind of expected it after yesterday's pop. You know what I mean? I think it's also an overreaction to like people thinking that Jay Powell was going to talk today.
Yeah.
Right, but also like let's talk about it from a conspiratorial standpoint. That I feel that the reason why today was bloody is because insiders know something's up.
Here's the thing, though. So, of all the FOMC events, there's always been a sell-off.
For the people who are 5 years old, what is the FOMC? For the people who are 5 years old, what is the FOMC?
Oh man, all you gotta do is just say, "Hey, you know what? What's FOMC? Oh, interest rates." That's it. Talk about inflation.
I was thinking the FOMO convention.
You're right.
It's the FOMO convention.
That's actually a good one.
So tell us again what the FOMC is.
I don't even know what it stands for, man.
Federal Office Mandatory Change
Convention. Hey, close the door. Close the door. Where's that banging beat? You
want to let's get to it after this banging beat. Oh, by the way, before you guys do, hit the subscribe button, post notification bell, give us a nice preemptive thumbs up if you guys like this content. If you want us to cover stocks down below, make sure that you put them in down below in the comment section. Also, I feel that we're going to start looking at an AMC exit plan. If you guys want to know more, it's coming after this banging new intro.
Come on, man.
Oh, man.
I just want to go home.
Like to Idaho?
Yes, because it's so peaceful there, and man, our pre-game's always been fire. Like, you guys missed it, and we were about to record it, and my wife just barged in, kicked the door, and was just talking smack. It was hilarious.
Oh man, we really should be recording at the onset, but then I feel like those are going to become like 35-minute episodes. And that's the whole point of the show. The whole point of the show is to give you guys some insight about what we're looking at for the market and potential plays that we're looking at. Let's just get into the meat and potatoes of it all. Let's take a look at what the QQQ did today. I don't like it.
Straight ass. It broke support today.
It did. Yeah. Oh, well, how did it break support today?
Oh, QQQ?
Yeah.
Right there. You broke support.
We're above support.
Oh, I'm sorry. Hold on. What was I looking? I was looking at the wrong chart. I'm sorry.
The blue line that I have drawn on is the very WAP.
The very WAP. I'm sorry. It's the
very WAP. So yeah, we're above support. And is this a bullish signal to you? A big bear, a bull hammer previous day, not really.
Not really.
Explain.
I hate to say it, but I feel like there's going to be more of a dip tomorrow because there's always that FUD when he speaks, right? And then when he tells us that we're not going to raise rates, oh, that's it. Everyone's celebrating.
Everybody buys.
Everybody buys. Yeah.
Buy diamond hands.
The thing is, the Dow is falling still, which is cool because it's a transfer of money.
Oh yeah, definitely. Yeah, it's still down right now. Tech futures are looking a little up. Actually, let's take a quick look at NASDAQ futures for tomorrow. One thing to note about NASDAQ futures, I mean the Qs in general, there is a report that just came out a few hours ago that the FTC's new chairperson is a big tech critic by the name of Lena Khan. She doesn't like tech. She likes to break up big tech. So that's not any good news. She's a boomer. A little flat for the NASDAQ futures today. 0.11. I mean, it's still early. We have more room to grow tomorrow. Let's take a look at the SPY. That's what the SPY looks like. Nothing too fancy with the SPY today. I mean, we did bounce off of the EMA 9, so that looks pretty okay. But we're not, we're still, the trend line is there, right? The trend line is still up, but I wouldn't be too optimistic tomorrow unless Jay Powell just says, you know what, no interest rates. If he says that, then we're good.
Why are we lagging still? We should be breaking out soon. Like market's just not participating at all. It's been dragging. I mean, there was low volume today as well.
Yeah, so it's not like so if you guys are trading the QQQs in the SPY, it is not a swinging situation. Do not swing the QQQs in the SPY. I would day trade these, right? Get in and get out. It's the DeVry University strategy. Get in, get out, and get ahead. That's the strategy that we're gonna implement.
If you don't, you go bankrupt.
If you don't, you go bankrupt. Right? Again, just to let you guys know, not financial advice. These are stocks that John and I talk about on the daily, so we could find insurance and exits as we see fit. If you guys are following our trades, and if you guys lose some money, it's not like we didn't warn you guys. But if you guys win some money, make sure you guys give us a nice shout out on your social media. You can point people in the right direction so other people can also see this information, and we could all win together if we all do win. You know what I mean? The first stock that we want to cover. What else? AMC.
Oh my goodness, we've been covering AMC for 2 months now. But you know what?
And
it's so good.
It's pretty. And I just want to here. Let's for the people. For full transparency's sake, I just want to come off the record and say that I cut my position in half. For the record. I don't want people to think that it's a full-on ape situation. The reason why I cut the position is because I needed to secure profits, and I have things to do. I have
like buy a Tesla.
No, not that. Not yet. I don't want to yet. But I needed to protect my profits so that I can potentially get into other plays and, make it grow, right? I did sell half of my position, but I ended up opening 6 more call options that expire.
What strike?
The 70 strike.
My goodness.
The 70 strike that expire in July 2nd.
Okay, so a little disclaimer. Okay, I have a confession to make. All right. I have a July 2nd. I have 2 of them at $65 strike. My guy.
Well,
like it's been a running joke in a Discord room. Yes, we're all in AMC jail.
Yeah, we're all in AMC jail because we're just gonna wait for this to happen. But here, and when we talk about an exit strategy, I just want you guys to know that AMC is not the end all, right? AMC is not the end all. This is let's take a look at it for what it is. This is a great opportunity to create that base account that you're looking for, right? For other people's example, I saw somebody who spent $700 initially on AMC stock, and now their positions are worth like $140,000, right? In a span of 3 weeks or 4 weeks, in a month and a half, right? And this is a great buying opportunity, and it gives you an idea of what's really going on in the market. Right? There's a bunch of different elements at play. That's the reason why this exact thing is happening right now. So if we're going to take a look at it, John and I's John and I's outlook, let's just say that outlook on AMC, there are no other positive catalysts past next Friday. On June 25th, the Russell inclusion will happen. There will be a rebalancing of all portfolios. AMC gets in there, institutional buying sets in. I'm out on the 28th.
That's it. No, I'm out the 24th.
Why are you out on the 24th? The inclusion's on the 25th.
That's what happened with Tesla. I mean, yeah, you got a little bump the day of, but really the majority of the bump was, pre-run up.
Pre-run-up. Okay, that's fair. That's totally fair. So that could be also a different strategy, right? Yeah. But if so let's just take it. Let's take a macro look at. Let's just say my position in general, right? I'm still holding 400 shares. I have 6 call options.
Jesus.
The 6 call options, those are getting cut after inclusion or by the exclusion date, which is next Friday, right? That's why I took the July 2nd expiration date. Now, the 400 shares, I am taking away 200 shares and I'm letting 200 run so that I can keep collecting covered calls in the event that this does go up higher, and I'll still have that position.
Vince, if you're watching or you're listening to this, we need to pull up a picture of the evolution of a monkey or a gorilla. You know how the monkey was born, turns into a gorilla. Gorilla starts like arching up, be like, okay, I want to walk today. Starts walking, and then he's all hairy. Okay, I want to shave myself off today. I'm gonna grab a bat. Okay, turn that bat. I'm gonna whack it. I'm gonna just whack a stone and make a wheel, and next thing you know, you have what we call human beings. The evolution of Nico. I've seen it all in the past 3 weeks.
Again, that's my personal exit strategy for AMC. and you know, I mean, there's a bunch of people in the Discord that are coming out of the woodwork, like, all right, we're gonna play AMC, and like, whoa, guys, we're here too.
Oh, you're in here too? I forgot to tell you, I'm in here too.
There's a big Spider-Man thing going on over in the Discord. Like, everybody's like doing this, like up. It's happening. It is happening, people. FOMO is setting in, and we're all for it because, you know what? Again, we saw it on Monday. The hedge funds lost around $550 million, and they're still not covering, and they're still doubling down. 400,000 share, 400,000 options are going to close in the money by Friday.
I just want to let you know that I think there is a second run.
Yeah.
But it's not going to be like 1,000 shares. I do see it at 90. Is that fair? 90's good.
I mean, yeah, 90's great. What about 12,000, John?
Oh my God. Do you know how many farms I'm going to be able to buy?
Oh yeah, dude, you're going to have a bunch of cows. You're going to be farmer only Johns. But that's pretty much it for our AMC update. You know, we'll talk about it more. As you guys see right here on this chart, this wedge is alive and kicking. This is an ascending triangle, and we're still above. And this is almost a gravestone doji, but I think we're gonna be fine, guys. I see it hitting at least 55-ish. Well, 55-ish, 54-ish. Yeah, supports a 50, 55, 54-ish tomorrow before we see another bounce. Right when J Powell talks, if it's positive, expect that run up. The next stock that
I hope it is.
I know, me too. The next stock that we're going to talk about is JUMIA.
Aunt JUMIA. Oh my God.
Aunt JUMIA is it's rearing its head again.
I feel bad for these shareholders. They can't catch a break.
They cannot catch a break.
JUMIA, the chart is broken. Okay.
It's broken.
So if you want to play this one, you're looking at a daily chart right here. JUMIA, first of all, it was considered one of those meme stocks, you know, pre-run up. Is Kathy Woods in JUMIA? I don't think so, right?
I don't think so. I don't think she's in those kinds of plays.
It's like this stock right here is what we call the blood diamond. So today it broke
the blood diamond. I hate you.
Today it broke two supports. Okay, hey, you know what? I'm trying to break it down over here. Okay, we're still trying to provide content. Okay, man, you guys need to see the stuff that happens, you know, before we record. It just we talk a lot of smack. Anyways. So we JUMIA broke two supports today. Obviously, it closed almost the lowest point of the day, but that's not the point. Tomorrow, I do see a dead cat bounce. You know, it came down about 8.5% today, and I think did it bleed some more after hours? Hold on, let's see. It somewhat did. I mean, it's all right. a big block towards the end. But for JMIA, what the key levels that you want to look at for tomorrow is 29.80. I would actually reshort this. Okay, there's tons of room on the downside for this one. Now, if you are a bull, I don't know what to say to you if you're a bull, but if you're shorting, 29.80 is your ceiling. So if you really want to short the top, I would place a one, a starter right there, because if it breaks, that means there might be some momentum, and that was a false, bottom.
And
so just keep an eye on that one.
Here's something that I want to point out though. If we do get very positive news from Jay Powell, this is gonna run and then ultimately gonna shoot down.
Yeah.
I don't think there's nothing here.
Yeah.
There's nothing here. And then just the volume. The volume today, where did we get at?
4
million?
It was
4 million?
Yeah, if you look at the previous day, previous day before that was 2.5 million. So today was actually a real red selling day. Okay, because if you compare the volume from the previous day, it was only a 2.5 million. It was a green candle, but really low volume, and then you see a big spike of a red one. That means it was an actual real selling pressure today. And plus on top of that, it broke 2 supports. So general rule of thumb, if you see huge volume and it breaks supports, that's it. The chart's busted.
Yep, it is a busted chart. I mean, not busted for the short sellers. So pile on, my people, pile on. Definitely pile on. The next stock that we want to cover is Mara. John, what are you seeing on Mara?
So, if you're trading Riot, obviously they go hand in hand. Now, if you're looking at Mara right here, we're looking at the daily chart. Obviously, Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, Bitcoin in general.
Oh, it broke out.
Yeah,
it broke out.
It broke out. Plus, on top of that, you're sitting at support. You're sitting at the 50 moving average. Okay, and that's very crucial because anything above the 50 somewhat signals a trend change, a bullish change. Now, since El Salvador is accepting Bitcoin, man, the president's only 39. Can you believe?
Is he really?
Yeah, young buck, man.
I know. Oh, he about it.
Dude, young buck, and on top of that, he was just wearing a daddy hat, like, and he had it backwards too. And I was like
my kind of president.
Imagine if he was wearing a Trading Daddies hat.
I know. We gotta send one.
Send him bullish one. Send him a bullish.
I know. I like that
one. Sign. Yeah. So, anyways, what you're looking at over here is it's a clean bounce off of the 50, and that's what we needed. Okay, so like what we've played with Skills, Clove, Palantir, all the other meme stocks that we played, the past couple of weeks. This is setting up the same exact way. Okay, and all you have to do is just hold that 50 line, and if it holds, ride the 9. That's it. That's your swing right there. Ride the 9 until it breaks.
Exactly. And if we take a look at after hours too, we did see a nice pop after hours.
Yeah, dude, I think Bitcoin is gonna make a run again.
Yeah, I feel that. I feel that too.
Because levels are holding.
Levels are definitely holding. I bet your brother's super happy about that.
Oh, he is.
He's excited for that. Sweet. And that is it for today's episode of Daddy Bits. Please make sure that you guys hit the subscribe button, hit that post notification bell, give us a nice thumbs up if you guys like this content. Make sure that you guys drop the comment section below the stocks that you guys want us to cover. Right? Follow us on all our social media. Follow me at Trading Poppy. Follow John at Trading. Trading John at John C Trades. Follow us both for Trading Daddies. TradingDaddies.com for all your news, your merch. Robinhood Such for 15% off your entire purchase. And make sure that you guys join us tomorrow for the Bust Down Academy free seminar at 8 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Right? If you can't make it, don't say, hey, I'm interested, but I can't make it. Make time. We're not going to change it for you guys. You know what I mean? So please make sure that you guys send us a DM so we can get you guys on the list, get you guys added to the Discord so that you guys know when the classes start, right? If you guys want to just become a new trader, don't know where to start, become a better trader, or just join a community of retail investors, like retail. We're not talking about no institutions, just retail, right? When you join a community of retail traders, it's a bit more organic. At the same time, the sense of community is a lot larger, right? You feel more welcome. So, just hit up Bust Down Investments. And then if you want us to introduce you, we'll definitely do that for you too. It is, give us a nice solid DM. And then that's about it. Let's get trading. And remember, guys, that the charts do not lie.
Yeah.